Since 2022 in South Africa, we've had 10 cup finals, meaning Guti Orlando Pirates has been part of 8 cup finals and winning 6. One is still loading right now in 6 December, which is the Carling Knockout Cup, which is one cup as Sokolo. If we get that cup of it will take our win rate or Emma Cup in from 75% to 87.5%. That is cup or domestic dominance. That is domestic dominance. One way. Domestic dominance by Orlando Pirates. Bafethu sibashayisa under Bafethu. Orlando Pirates look even scarier than last season right now. It looks even scarier. And I understand when umuntu angafika athi no, it's because Jose Riveiro didn't have much to work on. It's fine. Either way, I'm just saying, Orlando Pirates is probably the scariest team. Not probably. Orlando Pirates is by far the scariest team to play against because you never know what's gonna come. You never know who's gonna play. You never know who's gonna do what or what is Udlala in now. You don't know. That's what makes Orlando Pirates very scary, is that they are very, very unpredictable.